Yes, traders. Yes, traders. I'm just back right now. Can you guess what the time is? It is midnight. Yeah, I'm just back at this midnight, and so exhausted. Let me get this helmet and press it there so that we can discuss now matters, so that we can talk business, which is Forex. Yeah, I'm dirty. I need to shower and what and make more content for you. Yes, if you are brand new, you are highly welcome in my channel. Look at the time. I hope you can see. I don't know if it can be well seen. Yeah, you can see it from here. It is better. It is 00. That is midnight. Yeah, it is midnight. So exhausted. But as a man, we need to work. I need to work so hard and actually make a better life for my kids and myself. Yeah, so I think I first need to eat, and then we continue with the video. And also after here, I need to wash my trousers for tomorrow. They are quite dirty because no riding Boda on the road makes the trousers very dirty. Even your clothes in general get so dirty, so I need to wash. First eat, and then I wash, and then you see the chart. What happened today? I didn't trade. Even last night I didn't trade, but this night I will trade. Yeah, but I will take you through what happened in the other trade I had last time. Something interesting happened. Actually, let me tell you. I had $100 account, 100, yeah, and then in that account I went in drawdowns. Yeah, drawdown up to 890. Okay, up to 89, not 800. From $100 to 89 drawdown. Okay, $89. And then I tried this issue of partial take profit and break even, and indeed I grew up that account from 89 up to 94, if not mistaken, up to $94. And I used to do take partial profit, but I didn't like it because, let me say that you take partial profit and then you break even, but the trade happens to go your direction. If you are supposed to get $200, okay, let's say $2, okay, you'll not end up getting $2. You'll end up getting 100 plus. Okay, but then if you leave your trade to go throughout without taking any partial profit, you'll get full amount, which is $2. But if you take partial profit, you will not get $2. You will get 100 something. Yeah, but still in forex trading, taking partial profit has not made anyone broke. Yeah, it is good to implement taking partial profit because it keeps accumulating and makes some and gives you some good result or some good profit at the end. Yeah, and also in trading, do not allow full loss. Do not allow yourself to go through full loss. If you're going in a loss, close the trade as soon as possible and wait for the next setup. Okay, or the next setup in that session in different pair, could even be the same pair, but it can also be in the next session or in the current session where you are. So that is it. Don't allow full loss, close the trade. Yeah, let us first eat and then we continue. So today I came with yummy food. Yeah, I came with yummy food. You can join me. Here it is. I have to appreciate myself. I have to appreciate myself because I really work a lot and I work very hard. So if you get some time to appreciate yourself, please, that would be a pleasure. It would be a very, very good thing. Because most cases I don't eat chicken, but today I bought chicken. Yeah, you can see how big it is. All of these are chicken. So in Kampala here, food is quite cheap and affordable. I wanted to buy some soda, but I was like, nah, I don't want to take soda right now. You see, chicken and chips, chicken and chips. You can join me. You see very well, even the smoking. You can join me now and we enjoy. Yeah, I'll eat all of it. All, all it is hot. Amen. Wow. Yummy, yummy. Bye. I'll see you in the chat. So let us start with New Zealand dollar, Japanese yen. I took this trade the other day, not yesterday, but I made the entries on 5 minutes. But let us start with 1 hour as usual. This is the top down analysis. Yeah. So you can see that this trade it played all the way from this side. They were ranging, but from here to here I didn't trade. Yeah. So the trade generally it was going downtrend, as you can see. Yeah, on 1 hour it was going downtrend. Then on 45 minutes, the entire trend, only from here it looks like it's ranging. But then, if you see by that time, it started going downtrend because it was below this exponential moving simple moving average. Yeah. So I anticipated that the price would come up to this order block. Okay. It would move all the way from here up to the other block here, and then it would divert from some up to somewhere after reaching here, and on 30 minutes you could see that it is still below the exponential simple moving average. Then on 15 minutes I had marked my trend line all the way from there to here, all the way from here to here, and on 5 minutes this is what happened. When this price came and had a second touch on this trend line, and then I saw it was forming an engulfing bullish bearish candlestick here, and the trade came and made a small pullback and then made another bullish bearish candlestick, engulfing one, and then I made my entry. Okay, I made my entry. From there, the trade went all the way up to my take profit here. And let us look at Euro JPY. Euro JPY is this one. So with Euro JPY, we can see that on 5 minutes, the trade is moving downtrend and it is very clear. But let us go on 1 hour and then we'll see it clearly. So on 1 hour, it was still a downtrend. By that time, we could see that the trade was clearly going downtrend. Remember, let the trend be your friend. Then on 45 minutes, the trend was clear. I made my trend line smartly, and then on 30 minutes, still it is going downward. 15 minutes, okay, things are clearly seen. So from there, I had to start preparing. Okay, then on 5 minutes, this trade actually played. I didn't wait for it to touch the exact trend, but I saw it now reversing. I was like, let me enter. But on this trade, I took break. I made break even because when it reached in the middle and started reversing, I knew that this trade may anytime go against me. That's why I had to put it into break even to help protect me from losses. Okay, from heavy losses that I cannot take. And indeed, it came and took me out, and then it went on my direction. But it didn't. It even may take profit. You see, this is the level. It didn't hit my take profit, and then it bounced back. But now it is way up here, even almost. Even in fact, it took me out with a loss. But I got no loss because I placed it on break even. Yeah, but this is a trade of 2 days ago. And then GBP USD. Let us see at GBP USD what happened. This played very smart and clean. With GBP USD, let us start from a high time frame. Here it is an hour. The trade is actually going uptrend because it is making lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low, lower high, higher low. Yeah, like that. And here it was above the exponential simple moving average. And then on 45 minutes, it is still going uptrend. And then on 30, same here, 15, it is still taking uptrend. I started looking for entry on 15 minutes. I made my trend line very well, clearly, and I was waiting just for the breakout of the trend line. And then on 5 minutes, yes, the breakout happened, and I just took the entry immediately. Yeah, and the entry was so clear. How did I know that it was the right entry? Because when the price broke above the trend, it closed, okay, and then it closed again. It closed and made two small candlesticks, and from there I knew that it was time to enter, and I just entered. Yeah, and then let us look at Euro JPY. Euro JPY is here. So traders, that is actually the trade I took last time. Then let us go on MT5. So on MT5 you can see I took this trade, those trades on 8th. Yeah, this is the one of 8th July. You can see that I got $2 there, and then on 8th also on Euro JPY, I took Euro JPY 2 times. Okay, I ended up closing too earlier before I went deep into serious loss. And then GBP USD, I got $4. That one I took partial profit, and then break even. Yeah, but this one here, I took a partial profit, I broke even, and then the trade went against me. But still, even if it went against me, I was able to stay with some small profit. Yes, and as I told you before, there's no partial profit that can make a trader broke. So you can see that all the other times I've been just breaking even. As you can see, all the breaks even I have here. Okay, just there were no profits, but just break even. Okay, and only if you break even, you find that your account is not even growing. But if you take partial profit, you grow slowly. So traders, if you've liked the content, subscribe, like, and share, and then we are going to meet in the next video. Have a good night. Bye.